In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Outlook email. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make email text larger or smaller so it's comfortable to read, whether you're using classic Outlook or the new Outlook interface on your desktop. First, open Outlook from your desktop. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your account so you can access your inbox. Once Outlook is open, make sure you can see an email in the reading pane or open one in its own window. Zoom controls affect the message content, not the folder list or the rest of the app. Here's the fastest method, and it works instantly. Click inside the message body so it's in focus, then hold the Control key on your keyboard while you scroll your mouse wheel. Scroll up to zoom in and make the text larger, or scroll down to zoom out and make it smaller. If nothing happens at first, just click inside the email and try again. This is great for quick adjustments and is especially handy if you prefer using the mouse. If you like keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and the plus key to zoom in. Use the opposite key to reduce the zoom. This is a simple way to fine-tune text size without taking your hands off the keyboard. Keep an eye on the message as you adjust so you stop at the size that feels right for you. There's also a menu-based option that gives you precise control. With an email selected or open, go to the View tab at the top and choose Zoom. This opens the Zoom dialog, where you can pick an exact percentage for the message text. From here, click the plus icon to increase the zoom incrementally until the preview looks just right. This approach is perfect when you want consistency rather than quick on-the-fly changes. Depending on your version, you may also see an option to remember your preference, which helps keep your chosen zoom level for future messages. All of these methods work the same way in both Classic and New Outlook on desktop and take effect immediately. If text ever looks too big or too small, simply reverse your last change with the mouse wheel, use the opposite keyboard shortcut, or lower the percentage in the zoom dialog. Picking the method that matches how you like to work, mouse, keyboard, or menu, will make reading emails more comfortable and more efficient every day. That's it. Open Outlook, sign in if needed, and use any of these methods to zoom your email to the perfect size.